Alright, so this is Pinewood Terrace post jetting. You can see how nice and round and beautiful the cast iron is now. Looks really good. And then right at 20-21 feet is where we had the blockage, which ended up being a cast iron combo right here, coming from the other side of the house. So we got that guy all nice and clean. This is going to run up to the bathroom on the other side, and that's a stack going up to the sink. So what you're looking for is a nice general roundness on the pipe. You know, we definitely have that. Pulled out quite a bit of cast iron scale, so that should help things to flow through here quite a bit better. This is 805 is the house number. And we are coming back up the clean out now. And I'm going to conclude the video.